I am obsessed with waking up in the morning and feeling that bounce and hydration and cushy skin feel. And there's a product that I've been using for a couple of years now, and when I go to sleep and I put this product on my face, I wake up in the morning and I feel that bouncy, plump skin. I love waking up and feeling that cushion. I don't know how to describe it, but it is wonderful to wake up to. The product I love is the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. The product that I'm comparing it to today is the Rhode Barrier Restore Cream. So it's these two products that are going head to head today. My challenge is which one delivers the ultimate bounce. So if you're interested in seeing how they compare, how they're similar, how they're different, their ingredients for getting that skin barrier healthy while delivering anti-aging benefits to perimenopausal and beyond mature skin, stay tuned. As we age, our skin loses moisture, our barrier breaks down, collagen production slows down, your skin loses the bouncy look that it had when it was younger. That is where these two creams come in. The ingredients here are sunflower seed cake, barley extract, and hyaluronic acid. For the Rhode, we've got shea butter, squalene, peptides, and niacinamide. The ingredients make them different, just slightly. I'm gonna read you this. The sunflower seed cake repairs the barrier, helping skin hold onto moisture. Barley extract soothes and protects against irritation. Cucumber extract, which hydrates and calms the skin. Hyaluronic acid, which is a humectant, so it draws moisture into the skin. The Rhode Barrier Cream, it has shea butter, which provides deep and lasting moisture. It has squalene, which mimics the skin's natural oils, and it's supposed to help with elasticity. Niacinamide brightens even skin tone and reduces texture. It has peptides in it, a phenomenal thing to have in a moisturizer or a skincare ingredient for skin over 40, 50, 60. It supports collagen production and it improves skin texture, because when that collagen is rebuilding and that elastin is rebuilding, it's lifting your skin, and that's the benefit of the niacinamide and the peptides. Two great ingredients in this product. It also has SIE extract, antioxidant to protect against free radical damage. This has been around since I was in high school, so that's 42 years ago. This is a newer product. It's a product by Hailey Bieber. Here's the key comparison between these two and their ingredients. This is more toward hydration and barrier. This is anti-aging and barrier and hydration. This one is much more kind of old school, but it works, and this really does ramp up those anti-aging benefits in this formula. So basically it just comes down to maybe a more modern formula, but this is a tried and true, and I'm not willing to give it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply one on half of my face and one on the other half. So this is the Clinique. I don't really think I used much of a moisturizer on my face until I was over 40. I just didn't know what skin could feel like. And once I started using it, I remembered my skin feeling like that when I was younger. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the Rhode. That is what that looks like. So it's not as runny as the Clinique. Around Christmas time, I bought the entire Rhode skincare line for my skincare. They had a winter bundle. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a card here. I have been using only these 4 Rhode Beauty products for the last 2 weeks. And if you'd like a video showing you those products and what I think is different about these products, maybe who they're best for as a woman, a mature skin care woman, I'd be happy to do that. Just drop a note down below. I do have the products, I'm happy to do it, but I want to make sure it's something you'd be interested in. Neither have any scent at all. So if you're looking for a formula that is scientific and has that elegant kind of hint of a scent, botanical, these aren't those. Neither Clinique nor Rhode Skin. What am I noticing as the differences? Well, when I use this, I have this over here and I have this over here. When I use it at night, I wake up in the morning and I can still feel a bounce to my skin. I do have my vitamin A, B, and C. I do use peptides. I have used skin oils. Even so, when I do not use this, my skin just feels normal, kind of dry. This product, when I use it, it feels very good on my skin, but I don't feel the bounce. This one is more about moisturization and hydration, so that's why I'm feeling the bounce in the morning. But this one is giving me all those anti-aging ingredients that I need. That's why I'm not feeling it. Here's what I'm thinking. I think that you combine the two. Let's call it a hack, a mix-it hack. Now, if you don't use Clinique, then you can just go with this. I'm obsessed with that cushy feel, so that's what I'm looking for. I like waking up and it's cushy and it's not sticky or anything, but it just feels so bouncy and plump. So that's what I'm going for. So if you love that feeling too, this will get it for you. If you want the anti-aging benefits to go with it, I recommend you put this on first. The Rhode Beauty, put that on first because it has all those anti-aging ingredients. You want them closest to the skin. Then put this on top. When you do that, this is going to give you that plump, cushy feel that you like, or that I like. This is going to deliver all those anti-aging skincare benefits. So now you're getting both. Do you need them both? You don't. You don't. You could use this to help your skin feel nice and cushy, but if you want to get some bang for your buck with a product that's got some fabulous ingredients in it, the Rhode Skin Barrier Restore Cream is a great idea. You could just get this, and it's going to do some great stuff for your skin. So I want to hear from you. Have you tried either of these? Are you going to try it? I think it's a wonderful combo. I like knowing I'm getting that added anti-aging boost to my hydration boost. If you are over 40, perimenopausal and beyond, and you haven't watched this video series, it's a 3-part series of younger skin in 90 days, I recommend you watch it. It breaks down the ingredients you need, the products that have them, and how to put them in your regimen so you can see and feel results in your skin in 90 days. Probably less, but definitely in 90 days. Thanks for being here. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.